Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of me opening AliExpress DollarExpress deals. As you can see right in front of you, it is a very good size large package. I know what I got, and yeah, let's open it and see what we got. All right there. Most of the size is from what you see here. This is basically a large a large bag with a vinyl canvas inside of it. It's actually a side wall for the 10 by 10 canopy. I got it in khaki color. One of my canopy is khaki and the other one is dark green, so it'll still work with them with the dark green one. But as far as in the type of canopy wall, I saw the way it had latch drawstrings all around where you could tie it to the top of your canopy and to your side post. So yeah, I tried it out. Well, I got it to try it out and see how it goes. If it works well, I'm gonna try to get more walls. I only got 2 pieces of it for $10.19 each. $10.19 each. The background story is that the canopies that I got, I did not include the side walls because the side walls would have cost me about $20 to $25 each for the side walls. So I only got the canopy unit itself, only the straight 10 by 10 with no side walls. So these right here, once I saw the prices on them for $10.19 each, hey, I ordered 2 just to give it a try. All right, so I'm gonna have 2 of these. There's the other piece right here. Right there, 10 by 10 canopy side walls. All right, next up, another good size piece right here. This one right here is actually a sunshade for to be also used for the canopy. I believe this one right here is the size. I got 2 different sizes. This one right here appears to be the 6.5 to 9.8 feet sunshade. So I'm gonna use this as possibly one of my canopy side walls, or to be used on my 270 awning that I got for my Jeep when I go out. I want some shade on one of the side walls, so this will work for it. 6.5 by 9.8 would definitely work. Okay, next up, this is the other sunshade side wall. This one happens to be only 3.2 by 9.8 feet, so it'll be like possibly on top of the either canopy or awning, and do one of the other side walls, possibly put the full side sunshade side wall here and on one side, and then this one will hang up on the other side just to provide more ample shade to it. But pretty cool. For the 6.5 by 9.8, I got it for $6.39. $6.39. And the 3.2 by 9.8 piece for $4.19. $4.19. So I figured I gave it a try. It has basically string holes on all 4 sides, so that'll be cool. All right, next up, this one right here, it's in the post bag. I'll tell you what it is while I'm trying to open it. It's basically what do you call those? It's basically tent poles, but not your those regular folding tent poles. This one is just a screw-on one. This is actually the canopy poles for canopy strength. I don't know if I can try to open it somehow. Okay, there you go. Comes in a carrying case bag right here, but let me pull out some samples just to show you. There you go, post like this. So you put it together, and I believe there's a lead post somewhere. Let me see if I can get the lead post out. In one of these right here. Well, one of them should be, there it is. That's the lead post, as you can see right here. Like for example, the sunshade has that round connector slot. Just put this up there, it holds it up, and then you could create another either sidewall or yeah, basically create another shaded area using this. It comes with a 2-piece set. It expandable from 43 centimeters to 200 centimeters. That's the listing for it. And then for the set, it's $9.39. $9.39. So pretty cool right there. I'll just take all of them out of the bag and arrange it later. All right. Next up, let's see what this one is. I believe this is hopefully this is the wing nut set I ordered. No, it's not. This is actually a light piece set. Let me take it out, show you. I think I did get this way back when, but I never got a chance to install them. Basically, they're LED light set that I'm gonna be installing also on my Jeep. And the original set that I got it, and then I didn't bother installing it for a while, but I did test it out and trying to set my connections. And for some reason, one of them, I got a 2-piece set. One of them went out or shorted out or something. It just didn't work when I retested, so I end up ordering another set piece. So one of them is going to be an extra light that I can easily install as the center light or something. But yeah, pretty cool. It comes with the clamp adapters on there. But for this set right here, 2-piece set, $4.59. $4.59. Pretty cool. All right. This other piece, I'll leave it in the box. All right, next up, this one right here is bungee cord set with the carabiner. I got 2 pieces of this. This one, the last one I got, I believe it was 150 centimeters long. This right here, I got it a little shorter, like a foot shorter, at 120 centimeters. It's gonna be used. My plan is to hook it up to any packages, bags that I put inside my Jeep bed. And I have a tonneau cover on it, and sometimes my items go all the way to the back. This one right here, I could just hook it up, and then if need be, I could just pull the bungee and get my items out from there. So that is the plan. But these bungee cords, they cost me $2.19 each. $2.19 each. I got 2 of them, so there's more bungees to have. All right, next up, this one right here is a 10-piece bungee ball tarp. I don't know what you really call them, but they're tarp bungees, I guess. And you recall the last time I got these, it was what? I think it was more than that. I forgot. I think it's a 20-piece set, but the ball wasn't the right size that I ordered. It was a lot smaller, and then it's basically useless as a canvas bungee cord because those balls would just go straight through the holes. This one right here, this is the regular size one that I ordered, but this one only came in a 10-piece set for $2.59. $2.59. It's a lot more than the other ones, but I I needed them, so I ordered them. Not too bad for the price, $2.59. All right, I believe that is it. Oh wait, there's one more. I believe that's it. This is the last piece. This one right here, I got it last time. It's basically for cargo or anything. It's bungee cord. Wrap it around. You could put it on garden hose or jumper cables, and you know, the heavy duty ones, and then you just carry it like this. Well, something, you get the point. Basically, just anything that you need to do with cargo or even suitcases or anything. I have this right here, but I had one before and I like it a lot. I bought another one to use. This one right here, $1.59. $1.59, not bad. All right, I believe that is it. And let's try to see if we could put everything into the scene. Okay. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. Till next time. Peace.